What's up, guys? It's me, Brandon Clark, and I'm back here once again with another live houseplant video. And today we are talking about the Fatsia japonica, also known as the Japanese Aralia, part of the Aralia family. So if you know anything about Aralias, they're known to be a little bit finicky, a little bit needy, a little bit picky. And so I'm going to go all over all of that and stick around to the end because I have a really awesome tip that you need to know about this plant. So before I get into it, smash that like button and subscribe, and I'm going to get right into it. The Fatsia japonica, it is from Asia, it's from Japan, hence japonica, and this one, it takes a little bit of special attention and care. So I want to relay that to you by knowing that this one is going to like a shady environment. So you're going to want to have this at least 10 feet away from your window. You're going to want it in a in an east environment, not a south window, not a west window. You want it to be in a situation where it's not getting direct sunlight or those strong evening sun rays. So like a north window or an east window would be perfect for this one. This is the spider web Japanese Aralia, so it's got variegation. And what you need to know about it, it doesn't like to be moved. It doesn't like to have anything blowing on it. It doesn't like to have it repotted anytime after you bought it. That's the mistake I've made with this plant far too many times, and I'm here to tell you, you don't want to make that mistake yourself because this one can be a little bit pricey. So what I would do if I were you, once you get it home, put it in a nice shady spot where it's got a little bit of sunlight and leave it. All you want to do is make sure that the pot gets evenly moist. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a certain time frame, like a week or a week and a half. Just check it every so often, stick your thumb in the pot, and if it is dry, water. Don't let it get dry. This thing will let you know, and if you let it happen too many times, it will start not liking you. So what you want to do is also give it lots of humidity. Right here, I'm not sure if you could tell, it's on a pebble tray, and it is really self-explanatory. It's a tray and it's got pebbles on it, and I have a middle pot, or it's actually a little saucer that I just put right in the center. That way whenever I water it, it's not sitting in water, and it just likes that setup. Also, you want to, you can mist it if you like. I just like to get this in a particular spot. I don't repot it. I don't move it. It does not like to be moved. It freaks out. Anytime you move this thing, that has been the bane of its existence. Just leave it. I know you want to see how it looks over there and you want to see how it looks on the patio, but I wouldn't mess with this thing. All I would do is just look at it. That's what they're there for, right? Also, it does not like a draft. It does not like anything blowing on it. So the AC unit, an open window, you blowing on it, it doesn't like any of that. So I would just keep it far from an AC, far from a window, and far from anybody who's gonna touch it or move it around, because this thing, I'm just trying to let you know, because I've made all of these mistakes before, and this thing can be a little bit pricey. So I want you to secure your investment. But really, other than that, it's really easy. I would just adore it, water it every once in a while. If it's spring and summer, give it a nice gentle fertilizer, like don't use, your miracle, like, do your research and find a good one. Go to a plant nursery near you and find something that is more, maybe even organic. It doesn't have to be, but other than that, I just wanted to share this with you because it is kind of a unique plant. They're starting to see these more and more, but it is one of my favorites. So that's all I got for the Japanese Aralia. Once again, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.